Ooh, welcome to our new motion capture tutorial where I'm going to show you how to retarget in Blender. So this is how to retarget with the built-in Blender plugins. So first off, you want to go to user preferences. You want to type motion in here, and you'll find animation motion capture tools. You want to enable it, then hit save user settings. And then you'll see these mocap tools underneath your object panel here. Right here they are, mocap tools. But there's really not a lot here to look at. So to see more, we have to go to File and import a VVH, which is, a motion capture file, which is right here. Let's use our angry walk. And there we go. We've got our angry walk in here now. To access all these options, you have to select your performer rig and your own rig in order to have all these options show up so you can match the bones together and fix its orientation, which you really don't have to do with this rig. You can auto scale, but let's go ahead and guess the mapping, and it should guess correctly because both of these bone systems have the same naming structure because they come from the same software. That helps out a lot. Next up, you want to select which bones it's going to be used for translation, so the foot bone. So let's go ahead and choose the ankle bone and the left and right ankle bone. Now you can hit advanced retarget, and we'll actually sort of show you like a demo of what it's going to look like before it's actually sewn in on that character and the translations thrown in. So let's go ahead and hit retarget. Just sit and wait. All right, and now we have all these little yellow keyframes down here, and our dude is a moving. And that is awesome. So there you go. And that's how you retarget using the built-in Blender plugins. It's pretty easy. It's super fast. Make walk, I think, works a lot better. You just get better translation, and you can actually rotate your rig after you've retargeted your animation. So right now it's like I can rotate him in object mode, but he's not going to move in that direction. Only way to have him move in a direction is you have to have this rig moved in whatever direction you want it to move, and then he will take that rotational data. So if I were to copy this rig over now, our dude will move over here to the left, just like this dude is. Keep that in mind. You can blend these actions together in the NLA editor and the dope sheet. That's a whole nother video that I can make if it's requested. This doesn't limit you. It just requires a little bit more work to get it going than make walk. And do what works best for you. Sometimes make walk doesn't work, and I'm forced to use these mocap tools. Keep experimenting, and if you figure out a way to do it, let me know in the comments below. We'll work together and see what we can do, make a new video, and get this out to everybody who uses Blender and motion capture. So that's it for this video. I'll see you all in the next one where we're going to actually motion track a scene. So sayonara. Woo woo woo. I'm leaving. See you in the next video. Woo!